Oh, my name is Oladipo Abimbola, and today is my first day and the first week of the broadcast weekend. I have been able to identify the different categories of voices. I have come to realize that everyone has a voice and everyone can use a voice to his or her advantage. I have learned so much today and I look forward to learning more. I have come to also know that the voice is a very strong part of the human body, and it is the first point of contact to the world. Like when a baby is born, is the voice that is first heard. So I look forward to learning how to use my voice more. So I would recommend is for anyone who is looking to know how to use his or her voice for his or her advantage, and it is value for money. I think you would get value for all your money.